Since I began serving as CSM's president, we have focused on 3 core pillars to build success together: student success, employee success, and community success. We've been deliberate in our efforts to actively listen and reflect, reimagine, refocus, and rebuild our relationships with our students, each other, and our regional partners. We will share some of the successes we've had in our 3 core pillars and in our efforts to build collaborative communities and serve our region as a connector and a convener.
Michaela Jade Butler, highest honors.
Last spring, I got to share the commencement stage with both my fellow CSM graduates and the inaugural early college class of high school seniors from 4 Charles County public schools. These early college program students attended CSM in the fall of 2022 and spring of 2023 to complete 11 college classes, earn their General Studies Transfer Certificate, and graduate high school with their first year of the CSM General Studies program completed. Today, CSM offers early college to students from every public high school in Charles and Calvert counties and continues to partner with Calvert, Charles, and St. Mary's County public school systems to make college more accessible to high school students through dual enrollment.
Charles County Public Schools is proud to have worked with CSM to launch the region's first early college program. Early college now includes nearly 200 juniors and seniors from all 7 high schools in Charles County. We are thrilled to collaborate with CSM and transform lives, broaden college accessibility, and introduce our high school students to their regional community college in a meaningful way.
As committed educators in this Tri-County region, St. Mary's County Public Schools and the College of Southern Maryland have the same goal: to create transformative opportunities for our students that unlock their full potential.
Early college also targets the college and career readiness criteria outlined in the Blueprint for Maryland's future legislation.
Calvert County's high school students will experience the rigor of a college course, earn transferable college credits, save money, and receive the benefits of being a College of Southern Maryland student, including free tutoring and advising.
We join the Calvert County and Charles County public school systems signing memorandums of understanding with CSM and the Tri-County Council for Southern Maryland.
CSM Homeschool program also continues to grow exponentially. Since opening doors in fall of 2019, we've had 40 enrollments to now over 400 enrollments.
The homeschool program here at College of Southern Maryland has been a great addition to my son's homeschooling adventures, and my son has flourished with his classmates, with the instructors. The community that we've built here for students is all inclusive. It's a comfortable place for students to feel at home together, experience the classroom environment. There are so many parents that are choosing to homeschool now, but then so many homeschool parents that feel lost or don't know where to go or can't find additional resources. I've loved having the ability to build a community and support group with all of the other parents here as well.
The faculty here at CSM not only represents years of academic professionalism, our faculty members come with a tremendous amount of professional experience as well. This includes backgrounds in military and government operations, industry experience in engineering, research, and development, years of experience on the front line as first responders in law enforcement, medical health, all in both the U.S. and global environments. Through appointment to state commissions on workforce development or discipline standardizing bodies between 2- and 4-year institutions, to being interviewed as experts in their fields and giving keynote speeches at their own alma maters. Our faculty consistently carry the message that CSM is the place to be.
CSM wanted and needed to elevate our diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging work. And in spring of 2023, we announced that the Division of Human Resources and Organizational Development would be reorganized and report directly to President Wilson to accomplish this task. The division was renamed the Division of People, Culture, and Equity to focus on and support employee recruitment, employee engagement, employee retention, and the overall functions of human resources. Furthering CSM's commitment to people and organizational culture, CSM Distinguished Professor for Equity and Education, Daphne Powell, along with the Diversity, Equity, Inclusivity, and Belonging Faculty Leadership Team, completed their first year of awareness activities.
CSM held its first Diversity, Equity, Inclusion, and Belonging and Accessibility Conference last spring entitled Walk a Mile in Our Awareness, and it was a huge success. I am grateful to my DEIB team and all who attended to help kick off this multi-year professorship by creating a safe space for everyone to talk and reflect on our own personal journeys, as well as show empathy and understanding for others. Our next steps include bringing a deeper awareness of DEIB and accessibility to our faculty.
The nonprofit institute at the College of Southern Maryland returned to an in-person annual conference for the first time since the onset of the pandemic and saw record-breaking attendance and participation. CSM President Dr. Yolanda Wilson spoke eloquently about the collective impact model and the need for all of us to create a shared vision and vibrancy metrics with our communities.
Imagine the results if the thought leadership in this room worked together to do a broad needs-based assessment, created shared goals and metrics, decided to share physical and financial resources, and created a shared timeline with key performance indicators that represented the diverse demographics of the populations we desperately desire to serve and who desperately need us.
When Dr. Wilson introduced the idea of CSM really digging deep to bring our businesses and nonprofits and community resource groups together to work collaboratively in a collective impact model, she was speaking straight to my heart and to the heart and vision of Leadership Southern Maryland. LSM's vision is Southern Maryland leaders united for positive community impact. So for that and other reasons, Leadership Southern Maryland and the College of Southern Maryland are natural partners in the work of transforming lives and building a stronger Southern Maryland.
CSM Center for Health Sciences opened its doors to students in January of 2023. The center is an impressive display of health sciences programming aimed to help students attain career readiness and creating a strong workforce pipeline. We have created a new beginning in healthcare education in Southern Maryland.
The caliber of education that is occurring here in this collaborative space is a game changer for the quality of healthcare in Southern Maryland. When I joined other CEOs and leaders of the area hospitals for a special tour and discussion surrounding collaborating with College of Southern Maryland in a four-way partnership, I have to tell you, we were all pretty excited because we were all focused on providing exceptional patient care in Southern Maryland and providing care for a lifetime. And the College of Southern Maryland has a full seat at our table.
CSM began working with Calvert Internal Medicine Group late fall 2022 on the development of a medical assisting registered apprenticeship. With strategic partnerships throughout the regional healthcare industry, CSM has been responsive to critical workforce needs, training over 20 patient care technicians for Charles Regional Medical Center in the past 2 years, and developing a community health worker training that will be launched spring of 2024. CSM certified nursing and geriatric nursing assistant students work side by side with healthcare professionals day to day in our region's nursing homes, learning and providing support to our senior and aging populations. Another area that CSM makes strides in is in our partnership with area businesses on the western shores of Charles County. More than 400 students and their families packed the Velocity Center last spring to get a hands-on look at some of the exciting arts and science activities and opportunities available in their backyard during CSM's second annual Art of Innovation, Science, Technology, Engineering and Arts Mathematics Festival. The Velocity Center's Executive Director, Leslie Quattlebaum, was recently appointed to the Charles County Military Alliance. This allows CSM to further shore up our initiatives to have collaborative goals and strategies in our communities to benefit every generation.
The relationship between the Patuxent Partnership and the College of Southern Maryland provides another example of CSM's long and rich history of building a strong STEM workforce pipeline for our military partners in the region. The Patuxent Partnership established a Pathways Scholarship to support students who pursue an associate degree in CSM's mechanical or electrical engineering programs and then transfer to the University of Maryland.
This is such an incredible opportunity for the students in the Tri-County area to get an education, learn the skills for a career, and contribute to the economy of Southern Maryland. Workforce development is economic development, and the College of Southern Maryland is the economic engine for Southern Maryland.
Building a bridge from where students are coming from and creating pathways to where students are going to is what we do at CSM. And we recognize that work of this magnitude cannot be done in isolation. It must be done collaboratively and requires working alongside our community and industry partners to make a positive impact in the lives of those we are honored and privileged to serve. We believe the state of the College of Southern Maryland is strong and getting even stronger. And as we look ahead, we ask you to join us in this new year to view and understand our community in new ways and to see CSM as your faithful partner, because together we can collectively help individuals and their families achieve upward mobility and help communities flourish and thrive socially and economically. And together we can build success in Southern Maryland.